Good morning, everyone. We are Group 1 of 10 Contentment, here to present the technical terms used in research. But before we discuss these terms, let's first know the meaning of research.
According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, research is the investigation or experimentation aimed at discovery and interpretation of facts, revision of accepted theories or laws in the light of new facts, or practical application of such new or revised theories or laws.
We do research so that we can have answers to questions that we don't know the answer to. It helps us learn facts, discover new knowledge, and gather information that we may use in the future or in our everyday lives. Now, let's talk about the technical terms used in research.
First is the title. Every research must have a title that gives an idea on what the research may be. It should be descriptive and should not be longer than 12 words. It also should be informative so that the readers will know what the study is about. For example, if you're going to conduct research about how sleeping late affects your health, you can write the effects of lack of sleep to your body.
Second is the abstract. It is a one-paragraph summary of the entire research. It is a rundown of the research conducted so that the reader can decide if they want to read it or not. The abstract can be viewed as a mini version of your research. It should focus on the important details such as the conclusion or result, questions regarding your research, and the participants who were involved.
Next is the introduction. It states the purpose of your study and outlines the basic research in the field. This part is when you present your topic and capture the attention of the reader. The introduction should include the main information of the background of the study, statement of the problem, and significance of the study. The introduction can be a few paragraphs to a few pages long, depending on the research being conducted.
Next is the methodology. It refers to the method used in conducting the research. It shows how the problem be investigated and contains the plan in collecting and analyzing data. It shows if you employ quantitative or qualitative research methods. There are 5 elements of research methodology, which are research design, respondents of the study, sample and sampling technique, instrument of the study, and statistical treatment.
After that is the results. This is where you report the findings of your research. This usually includes writing your hypothesis, all demographic data to describe your participants, charts and graphs, and your statistical findings.
Next is the discussion. This section of the paper, the researcher or author of the study describes, explains and analyzes the research findings. It also covers the importance of the research and how it can be a solution to existing problems. The discussion has 2 major components: what the research failed to cover on the study and recommendation for future studies. After that, they suggest future areas a researcher could look more into how it can be studied better.
Last is the references. It is the list of all the websites, books, articles, outlets, and other references cited in the paper. All the references must be listed in alphabetical order. The references make sure that you are not accused of plagiarism or to not be struck by copyright. And that is all the technical terms used in research. Again, we are Group 1 of 10 Contentment. Thank you, God bless, and mabuhay.